Hey YouTube, today we are going to take these Lucchese Eel Skin Classics and we are going to put a little bit of sole and heel dressing on them. So I'm going to show you guys how that stuff works. You're going to take your boot straight off, just brush away any dust here, okay? Should be quick, as long as you keep them clean. The heel and sole dressing I got is Scout, and it's neutral. It can go on any color. It's kind of like it dries kind of like a latex sort of a deal. So you get your applicator here. I put it on the bottom, some people don't. And you just start applying it. I want to cover every little area. I want to protect those pegs. I want to protect those nails. And you start working it in here, just like that. And as soon as you get it all applied, you wipe it off. But we're gonna save that for the last part here. I get it all over the whole area here. Get on this heel stack, then back here. Then we're gonna start working on here. I wanna make sure to cover every part. This is gonna bring this back to life. These don't look so horrible right now, but it's just gonna give it a little extra oomph. Reapply some here. It really sticks to the applicator, so I don't want it running, so I'm going to use light pressure. Okay, I'm going to get it all over that, and I'm going to go carefully along this edge right here. And as soon as I get this whole thing covered, I'm going to wipe it off. So there we go. Got it over every surface here. Let me grab my rag. Got a little bit on the ground here. I want to wipe that up. Don't want my wife to kill me, okay? Gonna wipe it off. Look at that gloss here, okay? Gonna wipe it off the sole. Look how much better that looks. And it'll stay like that too, which is, I did it yesterday to a few of my boots, and I figured once it dried, it would be less, you know, new looking, but nope, it's not the case. It stays like this, okay? So, zoom out just a little bit here. I'm sitting on my floor. It stays like this, and that's amazing to me. Look at that. You can tell a little bit of difference. And we'll go ahead and do the other boot now. These Lucchese's deserve a little love. I got them for 20 bucks. I'm freaking proud of that. It's eel skin. It had some nicks in here, but I used my little magical shoe cream, boot cream from Scout, and hey, they look good. They look good for $20 Lucchese's, and they're comfy. I wore these in downtown Austin with my wife the other day. Took her to Lambert's, and there was a music festival going on. A bunch of people, a bunch of hippies. Fun either way, but I walked for over 2 miles in these things, no problem. And that's, you know, not all cowboy boots you can do that. You can't walk 2 miles in boots sometimes. And I got bad feet. I'm in the Army right now. My feet are fricked up. My back's messed up. My knee is messed up real bad. So 2 miles in cowboy boots ain't bad. So they fit like gloves. Lucchese's are great. If you can find I can't afford Lucchese's on Army pay new, but with these deals I found on Marketplace, absolutely. So I recommend Lucchese's to anybody. Just search. Anybody can wear Lucchese's as long as you find the right deal. Go for it. Even, you know, 70, 80 bucks would have been a good deal for these, but I got lucky and found it for 20. So, and I got 4 other pairs for 20. And so yeah, let's try this out. Let's get these. Look at that. Get the bottoms here. Go around the front. If it gets on the leather, you don't really have to worry about it. You just wipe it off. Before it dries, it's fine. Let's see. Looks nice. Matches the shiny top now because I got these all cleaned up. Look at that. That's how you do the heel and sole dressing on boots. You can get this stuff at Cavender's on Amazon. I got it for a super good deal. It was reduced to $3.98, and it's usually like $8. I don't know, but yeah, totally worth the money. I've already went through quite a little bit of it here. been putting it on all my boots. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. We'll do a shoe polish video and stuff soon, just when I get to it. But yeah, have a good one.